Oh my goodness. Walang second song? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Just like, it's so early in the morning. It was, oh yeah, thanks, no, mamaya na yan. Okay, guys, it's a great time right now. We would like to just acknowledge everyone here. If you have friends in these next locations, which will be opening also here in the Ayala Malls Market. Besides here, you can also find us in the mall, New Star Mall in Cebu City. Also the Ayala Malls Brisa in Davao. And then our fourth location will be in the Robinson's Place in Bacolod City. So kung may mga kaibigan kayo, relatives, or taga dun kayo, please tell them that we are opening in those locations within this next week. Actually, bukas pupunta na kami dun sa Cebu, and we will be opening on, is it Friday or Saturday? Friday. We'll be in Friday in Cebu at New Star Cebu. Tayong dalawa,
so
actually.
Cool, yes, and it's so cool kasi parang there's so many giving machines now in Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So it's so accessible to everyone nationwide.
Actually, nung nagsimula tayo mga 2018, one place lang, and that was in Trinoma. Yes, SM Mega Mall. So ngayon, we've every year, hopefully, we're upgrading, we're leveling up for this very beautiful cause of helping others in need. So now, to officially give our welcoming remarks as well, and also conclusion, we would like to have our first counselor of the area presidency, the Philippines area presidency of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, Elder Chi Hong Sam Wong. That is, round of applause.
Magandang umaga. Can you hear me okay? Yes. It's getting more difficult because they give very good messages, and Madam Nani, Mr. Lucha just have a good voice. So I want to invite Eric, why don't you come out? First time I met him was a few months ago. I always admire his height and his muscle, which I don't have. And recently I saw him dancing on the social media. He was really good.
Sometimes.
So here's what I want to do. I will be speaking in English, and he will speak in Tagalog. Would that be okay? Because I admire him today, not just the muscle and height, but the way that he can speak English and Tagalog, just switch back and forth in a normal and natural way. I want to use his talent. And then I don't think I can have Zia's age and beauty. So I'm going to work on him for a minute. Would that be okay? All right. Well, we welcome all of you to come today. Tagalog.
Welcome po kayo sa ating beautiful magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Yes.
So don't call people on the spot.
No, I will not. Hindi po gagawin yan.
Today, this week is Thanksgiving in America. They celebrate.
Ngayong araw ngayon ay Thanksgiving po sa Amerika.
They eat turkeys.
Ang kinakain nila is turkeys.
They eat a lot of turkeys during the month of November.
Okay, maraming kinakain nilang turkeys sa loob ng buwan na November.
Not as many as you eat chicken here in the Philippines.
Ganun karami ng kinakain natin na manok.
When I was in America for the last 5 years, I wonder why they have this Thanksgiving festival.
So nung nasa Amerika siya nung 5 months ago, 5 years ago, so nag-advance tayo ng 5 years ago, ano ginawa mo?
And I thought people were thanks receiving but not giving.
Akala niya na nagbibigay ng pagpapasalamat kaysa sa pagbibigay. Or baliktad. Pagtatanggap, sorry. Hirap na to.
Then I realized to have the opportunity to give, we should be grateful for.
At inakala niya na pag nagbibigay tayo ng regalo, dapat nagpapasalamat tayo.
Because sometimes we think giving is easy. Sometimes we think giving is easy.
Akala po natin na minsan na ang pagbibigay ay madali.
But it's not true.
Pero hindi totoo.
Even though if you want to give, someone want to receive it first before you can give to people.
Can you say this again? Slowly.
So even though we want to give certain things to some people, if they don't want to receive it, we can't give it to them. It's a Chinese thing.
It's a Chinese thing. It's a Chinese na bagay. na pag nagbibigay tayo, akala nila na, pero ayaw nila, hindi talaga sa kanila yan, sa atin yan.
And that's why we are grateful for the 3 beneficiaries that were willing to allow us to give something to your organization.
Okay, gets ko yan. So, ngayon, may dahilan o layunin na kung bakit na meron tayong 3 beneficiaries or 3 partners
So
na
that we,
tumutulong din
so that we
sa
can
atin.
give and be grateful for that.
Para makipagbigay tayo at magiging masaya or na you're grateful. Anong grateful sa Tagalog?
So we are grateful for the Hero Foundation,
At napapasalamat po kami sa Hero Foundation,
the Caritas Caloocan,
Caritas Caloocan,
and Northfield Foundation,
and the Northfield Foundation. Maraming salamat po.
and the Market Ayala Mall facility allow us to do that.
At maraming salamat din sa ating facility na si Market Ayala Malls.
The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints always like our people to learn how to give and share and love one another.
Ang simbahan ni Hesus Kristo na mga banal sa mga huling araw ay sorry, what was that? Yung last part?
That's part. Our people to learn how to share with one
Okay.
another.
So dapat matuto tayo na magbigay sa lahat ng tao, na kahit sino po.
Magaling.
Magaling. Mas magaling ka po. Napawisan ako.
Walang anuman po.
Yes, welcome po.
Okay. So, we also want you to have joy in finding how you can share with other people.
At gusto namin na magkaroon din kayo ng kagalakan na sa pagtutulong sa ibang tao.
I was told this machine we can donate even down to 50 pesos, correct? And up to 1,000 pesos.
At ang ating giving machine na to ay ang minimum na amount na pwedeng ipasok or bigay dito ay 50 pesos hanggang 500 pesos or more maybe. 1,000 pesos.
So basically anyone can do it.
So kahit sino pong pwedeng magbigay.
So for this year, we want you to experience that yourself, the joy of giving.
At gusto namin na maranasan din kayo, na maranasan nyo ang kalooban or yung gift ng pagbibigay.
That's why our church have this giving machine actually throughout the world.
At yan ang dahilan kung bakit na meron tayong ganitong giving machine sa Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.
When I was serving in America, they allow us only have one.
So noon po siya nasa Amerika, isa lang po ang meron po sila.
From Alberta to Winnipeg, from Idaho to Chicago and down to Oklahoma.
Okay, so
I think-
mula sa norte hanggang sur, Canada hanggang sa baba ng Amerika.
Yeah, sige po.
Sige po.
So, but this year we have 4 here in the Philippines.
So actually, isang biyaya talaga na meron tayong 4, hindi lang isa.
Apa?
4.
The first one is here in Manila.
At yung pinakauna is syempre dito sa Ayala Malls, Metro Manila.
The second one, Elder Wifire will be there to open it up in Cebu.
Pangalawa po natin will be matatagpuan po siya sa Cebu City.
And then he will go to Davao to open up the third one.
At yung pangatlo po natin ay mag-open din po sa Davao.
Next week, I think Wednesday or Thursday, I'll be in Bacolod to open up the last one.
At yung pinakahuli po natin na giving machine will be in Bacolod.
So we hope you will find joy
At sana po matatagpuan po
and
yung
be the
kalagalagan.
light. Be
And-
the light.
Na magiging ilaw o liwanag po
And
sa
then
lahat ng tao.
light the world
Liwanag sa mundo
and bring joy to the world.
at magdala tayo ng kagalakan sa buong mundo.
Let me see now. Mahal, na-meet, kayo, lahat.
Yes, I love you all. And I love you. Thank you very much, Abusama. Thank you so much. Okay.